In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on the LinkedIn app and format your posts with cleaner, more professional styling. Whether you're trying to make your content stand out in the feed or you simply want to highlight important points in your posts, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your mobile browser and search for LinkedIn Text Formatter. Once you're there, look for the option labeled linkedin-makeover.com, which usually appears as one of the first results. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Tap on the link to open the website. Next, click on the first text box you see on the page. You'll see several options that help you style your text bold italic, and more. As you start typing your message in the first box, the website will automatically generate styled versions of your text in the boxes below. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're typing your full message before copying it. Double-check the style you want, especially if you're mixing bold and italic, and confirm that the formatting looks exactly how you want it to appear. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, tap and hold on the formatted text in the style you want, and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. After that, you should be able to open your LinkedIn app and tap on the Post button at the bottom of the screen. Simply paste the formatted text into the post editor, and you'll instantly see your bold or styled text appear just the way you selected it. It's also a good idea to preview your post before publishing. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks clean and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to bold your text on the LinkedIn app and format your posts easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?